Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete your account on the Speechify. Now if you want to delete your account on your Speechify but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Speechify app on a device. So if you have not installed the Speechify app, you may simply install it from an app store or Play Store on a device. So after that you may simply open the Speechify app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Speechify, where you'll see various options on the bottom of the taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. Now to delete your account, click on the option of profile at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the various option of status, and here you'll see the various option of your name and a gear like icon at the top right. So click on the option of gear like icon, and here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of logout, and at the very bottom of the page here you'll see the option of to close your account or delete all of your data permanently. Click on tap here. So click on the option of this, and authentication is required to confirm the deletion action. So click on the option of authenticate. Now to proceed you just need to confirm your authentication. So click on the option of authenticate with Apple, or you may need email, Facebook, all of the things. So select the option accordingly. So after that it asks for your face ID. So click on the option of sign in. So after verifying all of it, a pop-up will appear saying are you sure that you want to delete your account. So if you want to delete it, click on the option of delete, and you'll be able to delete your account. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's how you can permanently delete your Speechify account. Thank you for watching it.